How to update your PPS system. You will be able to update to the latest version of the PPS system if you have a valid support contract. Updating to the latest version of PPS will ensure that you have the latest features and fixes that we've been working on. Before you begin the update, there are a few things that you need to check. For PPS local users, first we recommend that you're logged into the computer as the Windows administrator. This is to ensure that the correct permissions are applied to the needed files that are being updated. Failure to update these files could result in errors within certain areas in PPS. Being logged in as the Windows administrator is needed for updating the database, as well as updating each local copy if you have multiple local users. We also recommend that you take a backup of your system before starting the update. For PPS local and hosted users, we recommend that all users are logged out of the system before starting the update. This is because important updates are needed, and this is only possible when one user is logged into the system. The system will also need to be re-indexed as soon as the update is completed. You can check that all users are logged out of the system by navigating to Help and About PPS, and here you can ensure that you're the only user logged in. Once the database is updated, if you have any other PPS users that access the database, they will just be prompted to update their local installation or hosted user when they next log in. If you sync with another PPS system, you will need to ensure that that is updated separately. But if you have a system on our server that you don't have access to, like an express or remote or online booking system, you can notify the PPS support team who can update the system for you. When you're ready to update the system, navigate to Help and check for software updates. Here you can access the release notes for past versions of the software, and when a new update becomes available, you can download it. If the latest version has already been downloaded, the download button over here will be grayed out and you can proceed straight to installing the update. If the update has not yet been downloaded, click here and it will prompt you to download via FTP or HTTP. These are just different download options. You shouldn't have any issue by clicking to download via HTTP. The system might look unresponsive while this happens, but it's just preparing the download. When the update has finished downloading, or if it has already been downloaded previously, you can click to install the update. When you click on install, you will see the following prompts where you can select yes and then OK to allow the update to proceed. Once the update has completed, you will need to log out of the system by going to File and Exit, and then you can log back in to finish the update. When you log back in, you will see the prompt to update the installation, and you can select OK and then OK again. Upon logging in after the update, the system will attempt any table updates that are needed within your database. All you will see is this message on the screen if there are any updates needed, but it is important to let this run through fully. Do not close the program or let any others log in just yet. When the system finishes any needed updates, you can then re-index. To re-index, just navigate to Tools and then Database Maintenance and Re-index Data Files. Select OK to re-index, and in this instance, I will not archive the audit. This takes a bit longer depending on when the last time it was that it was done, so I'll just allow the system to re-index, and once that is complete, the update process will be completed.